In this session, we'll see a new tool or new technique called Puppet Warp. So, what does it do? And let's explore with doing it. So, first of all, I need to make a selection of this cup lying here. So, for that, I'll simply go to Select and Subject. Okay, this tool will select automatically the main object of the picture, which in this case is this cup. So and this has made the selection, and now I need to exclude this part. So I'll go to quick selection tool and I'll press alt and click here to exclude the extra part, include this part, include this part. So here is our a rough selection, and now I'll separate it. Control J. I'm letting this stone here. It's good to go. So Control J, and now I'll again make this selection. Okay, and I'll remove this cup from the background. Okay, we have separated it. So to remove this from here, I'll go to select and I'll modify the selection to expand it a little bit to apply the content aware tool. Okay, so now shift backspace content aware, it will just remove it very smoothly. There will be little difficulties, but we don't need to worry about them. So this will take some time, but it will be done. And this tool is similar to liquify tool, but there is a little bit difference which you'll notice. This gives us more freedom than the liquify tool. Okay, this is used to make distortions in the image or in the object we have separated, but so you'll see how it works. So now the object has been removed successfully. I'll remove the selection to for your view, and it is very evenly removed. So we'll enable this layer now, and we can see our cup back and our pebble also. So now we'll go to edit menu. Okay, but first of all, make sure you are on the right layer, the layer of your object. Okay, now go to edit, go to puppet warp here. Okay, I'll do it again to let you see edit, and then here it is puppet warp. Okay, I'll select this. So now I have to set a pivot point. Okay, and around which the picture will rotate. Okay, like this. I'll give a point here, and now when I rotate it, it will rotate around that pivot point. Okay, you see. And if I take this point as pivot, I can move the other point. Okay, I'll move this point and it will rotate around that point like this. Okay, so to only remove this pipe, I have to give a pin here so that this remains static while and the pipe will move. Then you see, these things are somewhat similar to liquify, but we have more control in here. Okay, now I can move like this. Okay, anything we want. So when I press enter, it will be something like this. So I hope you understand this little tool. It has many wide applications. So that's it for now. Thank you.